let me display. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. I want to move to the charts. Yeah, here I'm on the charts. I want us to just identify one part of the chart and see how you can mark the waves, right? We might not go to very low time frames to start with it, but let's say, for example, if we were to look at this downward move here, this downtrend, how could we mark this downtrend, right? Because if you look at this one, we have a very clear downward trend. This one, let me remove these trade marks. So this is a clear downtrend starting from the top here. Yeah, these ones. So I'm talking about this one here. So how could we mark these waves, right? How could we identify these waves? We have a reversal here before the beginning of this downward move. So just consider the reversal as the ABCD, the ABC move. And then with that, then you can start marking our downward move cycles. So like in this case, if this was like the wave number 5 up to this level, this top here, then you can talk of like ABC, right? ABC, I could be marking them. Can have like, this was like I don't know whether these marks are visible. You can have A, then we have B, and then we have C. This could be marking the end of the previous move. Let me try and make these ones a little bit bigger, thicker, so you can see. Yeah. Hope it's clear that way. And by the way, if you have any questions, feel free to drop the questions on the chat and I will address them. Okay. The market moves in waves, and if you understand this concept, it's really very important. So one way is of knowing where to start the count of your cycles. One thing, and this is what I'm trying to explain here, try to figure out where there has been a very strong trend in the market, like this one. There's been a very strong trend all the way up, and at this point you have got a strong reversal to the downside. So this is where you can start this point here, which I am marking with market. This is where we are looking at this reversal. Look at a reversal that looks like an ABC, right? And this, in this case, we're talking about let me do it with this. We're talking about after this strong move to the upside, which could have been the wave 5 of this bullish move. Then let's look at this reversal here. So one way you can look at what looks like, you can check out on what looks like a reversal of a previous upward wave, and then in the form of ABC. If you are to mark this one as ABC, let me see whether I can annotate here. Where do I get somewhere right? Yeah, this could be our A. Then, sorry, not A. Sorry, just put it in the wrong place. Let me do it now. This is our A up to this point here. This is B, and this is C. Those one signals are reversed. So you can even look at the way the structure is being broken. Then from here, we can start with we can start to mark our wave to the downside. Let me clear all this. Yeah, all the drawings. So with that one, we can start to mark our chart, right? So starting from the topmost part, then you can have our wave 1 starting here, 2, 3, 4, 5. The downside. Let me see how best it will fit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So with this one here, we can look at a possible wave 1 So let me use the drawing. So if we have our wave 1 all the way down here, that is our 1, the down 1 move, right? Then our 2 likely up to this point. No, this one cannot fit to be 2 because we have the next high at this level. And remember, the area which you're marking as 2 or 1 is supposed to be, it's not supposed to have been broken, because you're also following the concept of the market structure being maintained. So that one violates the whole story because I've got a higher point here. So then we are talking about let us see, talking about our wave 1 all the way down here. This is 5, 4. All right, so we talk of 1 here, still have to maintain it, a few things not working out, but then we have 2, and then all the way down 3, it comes here. Our wave 4 corrected pretty much higher than where we have 2, right? But it didn't really change. So here we still have our wave 4 here, and then 1, 2, 3, then 4, then we move down 5 up to that level. All right, up to that level we have our 5. So sometimes you do not need to have this level 2 broken. Sorry, I don't know whether you're able to see my chart, my people. I've been marking the charts, but you cannot see them. Let me share again.